It's 3 o'clock. I'm enjoying my breakfast of champions, hot pocket. Finishing up my coffee. Can you hear that noise? Okay, the plumber is here. One came this morning and now a different one is here now. So I'm doing this video. The cat's in the room. I'm doing this video now. So to bring good luck and vibes to the plumber, that he'll get that terrible clog in the main line cleared. Because Tank and I like it here very much. So we're giving positive energy to the lovely plumber. Can you hear him working? That was probably the reason why there was 6 leaks happened since Tank's been here and I. Who is higher up than a plumber? Like a drain technician? I don't know. But he's working really hard. Anyway, the cat's in the room, and I'm hoping, yes, good vibes, so this could be all fixed and done with. So Tank and I can have the rest of the day without chaos and water. Okay, I gotta go. I hope everyone has a good day. Bye.